Hey, it's Adam Moore, the LED guy. Occasionally I do products that aren't LEDs, and today is one of those things. I have a ton of Govee products, and they just make what I consider the best LED products on the planet right now. Just some really creative things. But then, because their app is so amazing, there's other things that they make too in the smart home that you want to get your hands on. And it just makes life a lot easier being able to use it in one app, because I have so many smart apps. I really needed to go around one, and because we're using the Amazon Echo for the smart home, I want to use Govee for most of my smart products. So here I have door and window sensors, and we go away on trips sometimes, and it'd be nice to just be able to detect and get alerts. I had a smart alarm system on my house a while back. A different brand, didn't really care for it. And because I use Govee all the time, I can have the notifications. So I'm going to put these, install these, and then hopefully they work well. So pretty cool little add-on, just cheapest alarm system you can imagine. As long as your internet is working at your house, this is going to work, which most alarms need the internet. So, all right. So here's a quick unboxing, and I'm going through the app at the same time. So you can see in the app, it's very easy. Just add a sensor. After you push the button for 3 seconds, it'll automatically come up. You can rename it, whatever door you want it. Click the button again to confirm it's connected. Then you can go in here, program what your settings you want. You want to be notified. What days do you want to be notified? How often do you want to be notified? Very simple system, very easy to mount. It's got 3M tape on both sides, 2-side tape. Make sure they are within an inch of each other, that little groove on the side. And you can see it up on my door just like that. And then you're all set. That easy.